Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a few different tie-dye techniques. The first one is the sunburst. So when we tie-dye, we're doing just that, tying the shirt. And we're going to tie our shirt with rubber bands. And then we're going to dye the shirt with different colors. So for this sunburst, I'm grabbing different parts of the shirt and just kind of pulling it up and creating a variety of different sunbursts that I'm going to dye. Now, some people choose to dye on the section that has the rubber band tied to it. I'm going to leave mine white and dye all around those sunburst ties. Now I'm going to put this in my bag and clean up. So you can see how it turned out with those bright spots where I didn't dye. The next one is called Bullseye. For this one, I'm just going to use the center of the shirt and I kind of folded it. I want this area to be the bullseye right here. So I'm going to grab from the middle and start tying with these rubber bands and rubber banding it into different sections. I plan to create a pattern when I dye, so I have different sections that I can dye with different colors. I have my plastic gloves to protect my hands from the dye, and I'm dyeing in this bucket. Just trying to completely saturate each section. That is the bullseye, and that's how it turned out. Here we have an accordion tie-dye technique using the accordion fold. Similar to when we fold paper and to the instrument, the accordion. We're just gonna fold this forward and then back. Just gently lifting it and having it folded forward and back. And it's sort of like a fan fold or the accordion fold. And next I'm just going to again tie this in different sections using rubber bands. It's helpful to have a partner when you tie the shirts, if possible. And I'm also planning to dye this one with a pattern every other section. Again, I'm just saturating and using a pattern of color. I have just a touch of red here in the center for a little bit of variety. This last one is called the Shibori technique, and it's also similar to that accordion fold, but it starts from the bottom. So I'm going to kind of do a fan style fold or an accordion style fold, front and back, forward and backward, forward and backward. Fold in the edges of these sleeves, keep going that forward, backward. Now this time, I'm going to also do a fold of the whole entire shirt. Just like that. I have my rubber band. Going to tie this in place. And then prepare to dye this one as well. That's the Shibori technique. I hope you find a method you like. I can tie-dye.